Murphy's Magic is proud to present Anverdi's Colour Match Taskmaster. From the legacy of Anverdi's genius comes the next evolution in mentalism. No limits, no boundaries.
Do a circle. So take any color you want and do a circle. Take any color and do a square. And draw a triangle. Let's do a star. Take another color and do a star now. Take whatever color you have left and then do just a line. All right, I will turn around now.
Why would you do that? Oh my lord.
Purple.
This is crazy. Wait, are they all the same?
Red.
How did you... What?
Blue. Green. Black.
Damn! Damn! That's fire!
Introducing the new Anverdi Colour Match Taskmaster, a masterpiece engineered for the modern performer. Six active pens. Receive secret color codes through your phone, or the included remote, complete with tactile vibration feedback for ultimate stealth. Hide your color code in plain sight right inside the app. From an intimate table performance to a full-scale illusion, this tool is only bound by your imagination.
What do you have in your left pocket? Oh, 2 for 2. Look at this. Purple.
Bro, how do?
Use any brand of colored markers or crayon. No special ink, no batteries to change, ever. Included routines go beyond the visual. Sense the scent your spectator is smelling. Predict thoughts across every audience and setting. Designed for anyone ready to step into the world of mentalism without breaking the bank. This isn't just a color match system, it's a gateway to miracles.
How did you do that? I love this guy. Oh my lord.
Anverdi Colour Match Taskmaster. The legend continues.